Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for Sunday shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Definitely need a shave. Got a fresh haircut. I just cut my hair a week and a half ago, and before I had shaved the sides with a razor, thinking that was gonna buy me some more time. No, it seemed like it sped it up. Today's shave soap is PAA Blue Samhain. Now, do not get confused when you see this label and think of pumpkin spice, because you would be wrong. I'm getting very low. This is my CK1, but the scent notes on that are sandalwood, burnt sugar, bourbon, pumpkin, and aged oak barrel. And to me, it is a nice blend of the pumpkin. I'm thinking like Halloween with the candle pumpkin scent. Oh yes. And then that burnt sugar and the booziness just brings it together with the sandalwood, and it is a beautiful scent. My favorite for fall. I really wanted to use that at the beginning of October, and here we are coming up into the last week of October. And I don't know how or why I got distracted, but this scent, I really enjoy it. I feel like it's an all-around scent. I have it whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl with this beautiful sherbet-looking Trotter's Handcraft brush. And, oh yes, so nice. Yeah, I don't know. I was thinking, you know, all September, I can't wait to break that out. And I just got busy doing other shave stuff, I guess. So I'm gonna be using this into November. I had to break out the old body soap bar, and that thing is running thin. It is not gonna make it till the end of the week. Oh yes. Wow. All right, so I've got my lather on. I'm using my beautiful Blackland Razor Brassbird. And I have a bunch of these blades that I'm trying to burn up. And these are the Gillette 7 o'clock. And they are the yellow pack. This one is a second use. And I'm just wanting to have a pleasurable shave today. Hence the Blackland. All right, got the blade loaded up there. Never any issues with blade alignment. I'm gonna warm the razor up here in a bowl full of hot water. Let's get the shave going. I did use 1/4 teaspoon of soap and 10 milliliters of water. I think I'm gonna be having a video on Wednesday. There's been a few things I've been working on the side, and it is time to break them out. I can say that this blade and this razor is definitely not as smooth as some of the other razors, and it could be contributed to, I think I have 3 days worth of growth. And I feel like a little bit longer facial hair can make the difference on feel quality. Just something in my mind. Could be just something I'm telling myself. I guess I could do an experiment and like shave half of my face, so I can only have 2 days worth of growth, and then the other half have 3. That would be crazy. Still dealing with the sinuses. I've been doing the old neti pot and all the nose spray and the steroids and all that, and I hate that. I mean, if you have sinus problems, especially like allergies to flowers and things of that nature, why would you make a nasal spray with a floral scent to it? And I've complained about this for many years, and my doctor says, well, if you're using it regularly, your nose will become numb to that smell. And as soon as that does, then you know that it's working. And I feel that that is just something that he is saying. Because, you know, like with shave soaps and colognes and stuff like that, if you use that every day, your nose doesn't get numb to that smell. And I don't know if it's maybe something in the nasal spray. Like an active ingredient. I don't think it would be. It just seems kind of backwards. I don't know. That's just me. I have one more time to mow the yard, I think, this year. And I've really been putting it off because I know it's going to be super dusty and dry. And during that time, I do wear a mask because I don't want to breathe all that crap in. And I really hate doing that. You just feel like a big goon out there with a mask on mowing. But I figure if it saves me a little bit of problems, it's worth looking goofy. All right, so I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. I'm back. Did you miss me? All right. And I already showed you I've got the Matching Splash here. And this is one of the newer bottles. If you guys don't know, this just dropped, I don't know, was it Friday or Saturday? This is a fall release. Oh, yeah. That is a nice scent. I did buy this year I broke down and bought the EDP or EDT using my signature Aftershave gel. Oh, yes. That much will do it. Wow. All right. I'm going to put a little picture right here of everything I used. And I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.